Hey you guys, so today I'm filming a super exciting video. We're doing a full face of first impressions using Glossier. Oh yeah, get ready. I know y'all have been waiting for this video to find out my thoughts about this whole brand, which products I like, and etc. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So before I hop into the products, I do want to say a huge thank you to Glossier for sponsoring this video. Y'all, I'm totally geeking out that this is even happening. Thanks to you guys, and thank you Glossier. So y'all, let's try out these products. Alright, so I did take my skincare bag, which just has a bunch of skincare goodies from Glossier, but I did want to end with, as far as my skincare routine for today, with the Futuredew Oil Serum Hybrid. So freaking cute. So yeah, let's just apply it on my face. So yeah, for the past couple of days, actually 4 or 5 days, I have been trying out some of the Glossier skincare products that they sent me, and I've been impressed. I definitely have my favorites out of the bunch, so definitely stay until the end of this video to find out my final review and what products I really like. But overall, you guys, it's good. It's good. I do want to focus this oil serum on the high point of my cheeks because this does make my skin glowy, as you guys can see. Y'all, seriously, you could probably just walk out of the house with this on. Especially during the winter time when everyone's face is super dry. Yeah. Anyways, so that's what this looks like on. Now let's move on to the makeup. So I like to start with my brows. So I'm going to take the boy brow, which looks like this. We have 2 shades, clear and black. Wow, so this definitely grabs all of your hairs, and it's really easy to maneuver your hairs upwards, downwards, make them fluffy. Now, I just want, because we're just trying out everything today, I'm gonna be crazy and apply the black shade on this brow. Let's just see, you know? Wow, yeah, that somehow made my eyebrows very dark, but not too dark. I was kind of worried, but wow. And then even fluffier, probably because it made my hairs darker. Wow. Alright, so after I do my brows, I like to move on to my face. So I'm going to grab the Perfecting Skin Tint, and I got it in the shade, what was this, G6. Now, I've heard many things about this, it's really good, but it is very light as far as coverage. It's literally like your skin. So we'll see for ourselves. Yeah, I do have a pimple right over here, so I'm like, how much will you cover that? But yeah, this is super easy to blend. Wow. I didn't know what to expect. Okay, I definitely feel like it evened out my skin tone. And I definitely see a dewy finish. Yeah, this really is your skin, but better. You know what I mean? It gives it a healthy glow. Moving on to the concealer, which is their Stretch Concealer. And I got this in the shade G7. Oh, wow. That's what it looks like. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. The big girls over here can do this. Yeah, my friend, she raves about their concealer. She loves it. Alright, so we have the concealer on one eye. Can you tell which one? Wow, my bags are really bad. But yeah, so far, it looks nice and very easy to blend out. Now let's see if it gets in my creases or not. Here's what the concealer looks like on both eyes. Yeah, definitely see some brightening effects happening. It does look a little dewy, so I'm interested to see if this will dry down like that. So we have a bunch of fun, what is this called? Technogel eye pencils. So let's see, what color should we do to my eyes? So these are all the shades that we have to play with today. So I'm kind of eyeing the orange one, the mustard yellow one, and the pink one. What about the olive green one? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do I do? Okay. Let's see. Maybe I'll do one of these. Maybe we'll do the shade Magic Carpet. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's do that actually. Wow, you guys. This is very easy to create a line with. I'm actually gonna take a different shade and use it for this eye. I wanna do as many colors as I can. So here is the shade Pretty Penny, and here is the shade Magic Carpet. Y'all, I have Aladdin in my head now. So now let's move on to mascara, which is their Lash Slick Fill Form Mascara. I've heard really good things about this mascara, and y'all know I love mascara, so let's see. Alright, we have mascara on this side and no mascara at all on this eye. It definitely added some volume. It definitely actually lifted my lashes too. But this is definitely a very natural mascara. And now here's what my lashes look like with the mascara added. You can definitely tell there's some volume there and a little bit of length. It's just not as dramatic as I would like it to be. Also, update on the concealer. So it looks like it hasn't dried down much. It's still very dewy. And I forgot to mention, the stretch concealer is infused with avocado and jojoba oil. Jojoba oil, I think, is actually how you pronounce it. So that might be why it's very creamy, but also a little bit dewy. Now let's move on to the cheeks. And we have, for the cheeks, they're cloud paints. FYI, Glossier does have a flagship store here in New York and also in LA, and I think they opened up one in Texas, or they had a pop-up in Texas. But definitely check those out. And right now, at the flagship in New York, they have a cloud paint room. So you literally see these like sticking out. And it's just such a cute room. You can take pictures. You just feel like you're in the sky with some cloud paints. It's really cute. Really cute. But anyways, what shades shall I try? I definitely want to try out Storm, which is this like cranberry shade, cranberry mauve shade. And then maybe Puff, which is a light pink shade. Oh wow, that laid down a lot lighter than I expected. Let's try on another shade. I actually kind of want to try Haze. And these are what the two shades look like on. So this one is Storm and this one is Haze. Yeah, let me know which shades you guys like the best. I think I personally like Storm the best, but this is really pretty. Great for the holidays because it adds a little pinky flush to your face. I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy. Alright, so before we move on to the lips, I'm going to take their Wowder, which is their powder. And their powder comes in multiple shades. So I got the shade G5 through G7. And it looks like, looks like this. It's taped. It's got a little sifter thing going on. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna do half my face so you guys can see like the coverage it gives. Alright, so here's half my face with the Wowder and half my face without. It definitely helped mattify my face, but I didn't apply any under my eyes just because this is, I think, more of a foundation shade or setting powder than like the under eyes. I probably should have gotten the translucent shade too to set my under eyes, but yeah, I think it did a good job in mattifying my face. All right, now let's move on to the lips, and we have a couple of lip products to try out. We have some lip glosses, some Vinylic Lip High Shine Lacquer, and then the Generation G, which again my friend says she loves, which is a sheer matte lipstick. I want to use, because I think this is a lip liner, but I could be wrong, but I want to try out the Vinylic Lip, and then obviously the lip gloss too, because I think again that's also one of their best-selling products, and the packaging looks so cute. So this Vinylic Lip High Shine Lacquer is in the shade Pony and looks like the perfect nude. Ooh, looks like a pen kinda, like you guys, this is such a pretty color. It's definitely more pinkier than I expected, but super pretty, and it's so easy to apply with this brush. Oh my gosh, so soft on the lips. It's like your lips but better. Wow. Now let's try out their Generation G, which is their sheer matte lipstick, and I have the shade Zip. Ooh, yeah. That's a pretty like burnt red. Let's see. I wonder, like, is it sheer? It does say sheer. How much coverage it gives. What's the finish? It kind of feels like I'm applying a crayon on my lips. This is so interesting. Wow. This is very red. Wow. Yeah, and it does have a sheer finish. And it has a matte finish. Like, there's no dewiness to it at all, no glossy effect. And now for the final two products, and what I'm most excited to try is their lip gloss. And you guys, their packaging for their lip gloss is iconic. It's so pretty, and we have the shades Clear and Holographic. Wow. What do we think? Glossy. And you have to look up close to see the glitters, but the glitters are there. Now, okay, good. When I talk, when I move my lips or push my lips together, there's no like random string hanging. I can appreciate that. Yes, I definitely think lip gloss was the best move to complete this look, but we're not done just yet. Now we have to apply on the shade Clear. Yeah, that's really pretty too. Kind of living more for the holographic one, but this one's really pretty. Alright, you guys, and here is the final look. Full face using Glossier. I really like it, you guys. Alright, so now for a quick rundown on my favorite products, including the skincare products. So for skincare, you guys, oh my gosh, the highlight product was definitely, I'm looking for it now, was the Milky Oil, which is the waterproof makeup remover. You guys, I love my waterproof mascara, so of course I applied it on my eyes, and it took my mascara right off, like with ease. There was no tugging, and I really like that. So definitely love the Milky Oil. They do have the Milky Cleanser, which works, but I'm almost like, does it work? Because it's so lightweight on the face. It is so interesting. It did cleanse my face, and one thing I really appreciated, oh, it's called the Milky Jelly Cleanser. And one thing I really appreciated from this was that it left my skin feeling nice and like hydrated. Even though it was super lightweight, it was so weird. Next, for the makeup, I really enjoyed the cloud paints. Oh yeah, my favorite was the shade Storm, and I actually liked the shade Haze. I also really liked the gel eyeliners, or what's their name? The technogel eye pencils. Oh yeah, so easy to play with, to apply. I hope you guys can see it, because right now I'm looking in the viewfinder and you might not be able to see it. But I really liked these. An easy way to add a little pop of color to your lids. I also really liked the lip gloss. My personal favorite shades, or actually shade, was the holographic one. Like, I thought this would just be more of a fun shade to play with, but no, I think I actually might be using this every single day. But also, you can't go wrong with the clear one. I mean, can you? Clear gloss? Always good. I also really liked, as far as the lip products, where is it? The Vinylic High Shine Lacquer. And I, oh my gosh, really liked this shade. What is this shade again? Pony. Because it was literally like your lips, but better. I also really liked the boy brow. I literally cannot stop talking about it. Like, I'm so impressed with the black shade in boy brow. Like, so impressed. And yeah, those were definitely my standout products from everything that I tried today and for the past couple days as far as skincare. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing my full face on first impressions, trying out Glossier. And again, big thank you to Glossier for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much. And yeah, let me know what products down below that you've tried before or now that you're going to try. And I'll link everything down below, so make sure to check that out if you want to be twinning, you know. But yeah, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!